I'm Dr. Joel Cohen of About Skin Dermatology in metropolitan Denver, Colorado. We've been on the cutting edge of a lot of different treatment modalities over the years, and we're really excited that we've had Cellfina since November of 2014. Cellfina is specifically FDA cleared for the treatment of dimple-type cellulite. This is the type of cellulite where people have very isolated dimples that pull down, and what we're doing with this device is releasing the band to allow the dimple to lift up. So we're one of 14 sites globally that have had this technology for the past year, and we're really excited to have participated in some of the projects related to this. I myself have been quoted in Shape Magazine and Aesthetic Buyer's Guide and Modern Aesthetic about our experience, and then recently Jeremy Green and I published a few articles talking about our experience and our tips for using Cellfina that were published in Seminars in Cutaneous Medicine and Surgery. So Cellfina is used specifically for dimple-type cellulite. If you think of a couch that has buttons, these buttons are pulling down in a specific area. So if you release that button, then the area will level out with the adjacent area. So what we're doing with the Cellfina device is actually using it to isolate the areas of the dimples and then use an anesthetic in these specific areas. And the anesthetic is done to all the individual dimples, as you can see from the video, to make sure that the patient doesn't have any significant discomfort during the next stage of the procedure, which is the release. Once all the dimples are anesthetized, we use that same apparatus with a different attachment to actually still lift up the area with the vacuum and the suction, and then we're applying a little needle to the area which goes back and forth and frees up that adherent band so that the band is severed and the area of the dimple is lifted up, more consistent with the adjacent area. Most patients we've treated have between 14 and 24 localized areas of dimples. So we go in and we release each of these. And as you can see in the video, this is something that is very well tolerated by the patient. Cellfina is unique because it has data showing 96% patient satisfaction at 2 years. There's very few treatments that we can do for a condition like this that has such high patient satisfaction at the 2-year mark. So we're very pleased that About Skin Dermatology is one of the 14 sites globally that has been using this technology over the past year, and we're really pleased that we've contributed to the registry program, and we've seen a lot of patients who have benefited from this procedure. It's really meant for people who are in shape, work out regularly, and may have had some persistent areas of dimples over many years. And these dimples can actually be softened and minimized using this very, very unique treatment called Cellfina.